All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So deny, deny, deny. To reject something. Ugh, no thank you. Ugh, reject. To claim that something other than what is commonly believed. Something other than what is commonly believed. Deny. I deny these claims. No, they are not true. I was denied entry. We will deny him entry. I was denied entry. No. We will deny him. Ugh, no way. Deny him entry. He can't enter. He is denying all the accusations. Nope. They aren't true. Denying them. Yeah. All he could do was deny it. Deny it. No, not true. Not true. Not true. Not true. Yeah, what's commonly believed. Not true. Not true. Yeah. He denied them strongly. No. No. Yes. They denied knowing him. See, they denied knowing him. Yeah, they claimed to not know him. Yeah. I don't know him. Yeah, deny. We can only deny it. Nothing else. Yeah. It was denied entry to the country. Yeah, denied entry. How cool is that? I will simply deny them access. That's all I can do. Yeah, deny. You can't enter here. Denied. Deny. Deny. You can't enter here. No. Simple as that. No. Yeah, deny. Yeah, so deny. Now, can you use deny in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.